Reaction about the arrest of Sanjay Singh?
I think it's very sad. Sanjay Singh has been very vocal in the parliament against many acts of the government of India which he has opposed. He has been in the eye of the government for a long time because he is a fierce speaker, speaks from his heart, speaks on facts. And I think today his arrest by ED is actually to show their power before election comes again. I totally oppose such actions.
Ravinder Rayana, who's saying, why were these guys when the panchayat elections held or talking about constitution today?
You see, he has given a statement without understanding. No doubt, we did not take panchayat election. I feel very sad about it. Looking at it, those people who decided that it should not be done, we did wrong. But we did take part in the DDC elections. He has also mentioned that. But National Conference may not have taken part. What about other parties who took part? We are asking for our constitutional rights, which have been suspended in the state ever since the governors have taken over and the UT has been created. We are asking for our constitutional rights. Why should we mention just one party that did not take part in panchayat elections? Others did take part in panchayat election. They are members of panchayat today. So he should correct his facts first. And he should not think of only us. He should think of the state itself. Every man. We want election today. They themselves have decided that panchayat elections will take place. DDC elections will take place. Municipal election will take place. Suddenly, they turn turtles that we are not taking. When everybody is saying, even today now, DG, I think, of BSF or one of the forces that is here, said there is complete peace. He says there is complete peace. They held a G20 meeting here where they said there is complete peace in Kashmir. Prime Minister as well as the Home Minister all the time say there is complete change in Kashmir. It's peaceful. Tourism has increased. Then why is the election being denied to people?
It's held in Kargil. What's your opinion about that and how much you are confident that the National Conference will...
You see, let me tell you, I'm very grateful. At least the authorities took Ladakh into confidence. They held elections in Ladakh, they held elections in Kargil. And over 77.6% have taken part in using their franchise. I'm quite confident, inshallah, that in Kargil we'll get majority. They tried to even remove our symbol. Don't forget that part of it. It shows how much the powers that are there were not interested in releasing our symbol of the plough. We had to fight in a single bench. We won there. We fought in this double bench. We won there. Then they went to Supreme Court. We won in Supreme Court also. It just shows how much hatred is in them for this party.